Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Jackie and today I am going over some of my favorite clean beauty products and personal care products that I like to use. First of all, I want to tell you guys about the Think Dirty app. If you don't already have it on your phone, it is a great tool to have whenever you are finding different beauty products or household products. You scan the product or search for it and it will tell you what ingredients are in that product and whether that product is clean or dirty based on the Think Dirty scale, which you can read more about if you download the app. So I have been using the Think Dirty app for about the last year now, and I have settled on some beauty products that I really like and also some personal care lotions and deodorant and sunscreen for the family. I'm going to show you guys what those products are and why I like them. So my first product is Native deodorant. I have been on the search actually for a really long time for a good deodorant that is not an antiperspirant and is aluminum free, and Native is one that I have settled on. It actually works better than the ones that I've tried that are more natural deodorants, and it is paraben free, aluminum free. So my next favorite product is this Young Living lavender lotion, and I have been kind of a fan of Young Living since about 2016. I got my first starter kit. I kind of got out of using the oils, and then last year I had a friend who kind of got me back into it. So since then I have been really into Young Living. I've kind of figured out which products I really like and which products I don't like, but this lavender lotion is one that I really love. The cool thing about Young Living is that their biggest focus is the quality of the products and that they're clean, good ingredients in them. So there's lots of essential oils in this too. There's lavender obviously, but they also throw in a lot of other good smelling oils in it also. So I'm really loving this lotion. It's great. It's not very greasy. I really like it. So the third product that I found, which I had been really looking forward to trying this out, is a Beautycounter Tinted Moisturizer. I had been using NARS Tinted Moisturizer. It comes with some SPF in it for about the last like 5 years. The cool thing about Beautycounter is they have left out 1,500 ingredients that are like bad for you, that are basically on their blacklist. And the main ingredient in this is zinc oxide, and that provides the SPF. And so I really love this. I think it's great. Even compared to the NARS Tinted Moisturizer, I don't notice a difference, and I really, really like it. So I'm glad I found this. Another thing that I switched to is just some lavender lip balm from Young Living. I like it because I like what Young Living stands for on their products, clean products. So I grabbed some lip balm and I'm really liking it a lot. My next switch and ditch product for beauty products is the Beautycounter Mascara. So I've always been a They're Real mascara by Benefit girl, and I really wanted to switch to something that I knew was a little bit more clean, and I mean, I put it literally on my eyes. I wanted to give it a try. I do like this. I feel like I can find a better natural mascara option. So I think my next try will be the Young Living Savvy makeup line. So I think I'll try the mascara from there. But yeah, this is a pretty good option if you're already buying from Beautycounter and you like Beautycounter. On to body wash. So I actually use this and my kids use it. It's the Honest shampoo and body wash. We get this at Costco, 2 big bottles. I think it's $15. So it's a really good deal for actually really a clean product. I think it's a 3 on the Think Dirty app. It's a good product to have. Before my kids were using Babyganics, and I decided to switch to this because actually the Babyganics, I think because of the fragrance, is a 4 on the Think Dirty app, and this was a 3. I went ahead and picked up some of these, and this is pretty much what we've switched to. So another product that I use for the family is this Beautycounter sunscreen. I had been looking at it for a long time, probably like over a year, and I finally took the plunge and ordered it with the other stuff that I got from Beautycounter. I really, really like it. It is a mineral-based sunscreen. Its main ingredient is zinc oxide. We had been using Think Baby, which is a great option. It's a cleaner option for sure. It is also a mineral-based sunscreen, but I really like this. I use this on the whole family. This one is called Countersun Mineral Sunscreen Mist, and I just usually spray it in my hand, and you have to rub it in because it is mineral sunscreen. And I was debating on adding this in, but I wanted to tell you guys about the hand soap that I make. I actually make our own hand soap with Castile soap and some vegetable glycerin and some Thieves essential oil. I add in some orange sometimes too, but I make our own. I've been making this since last November, and it's a great option from having to buy a bunch of bottles of soap all the time. I buy a big thing of the Castile soap and I mix up my own soap. So I actually have a video of me doing that and how to do it I'm gonna link it above, and I will link it in the description also if you wanna check that out. That's one way to be clean in what you're putting on your skin, is just by hand soap, making your own hand soap. It's super easy. And one last thing I wanted to add in was this Kid Sense toothpaste from Young Living. My kids use this toothpaste. I haven't found a clean option for toothpaste yet for myself, but this is what I use for my kids and they like it. So those are some of my clean beauty products that I have found. I'm not completely there yet. I still use NARS blush. I use Becca shimmer. I use some other things that are not completely clean products, but this is how far I've come. I wanted to share them with you guys. I hope you found them useful. As for Young Living, my referral link is linked below. If you're interested, you can check it out. You could also comment with any questions or find me on Instagram. I really love Young Living products and I am excited to share about them. I will post different links about Young Living and Beauty Counter. I have a friend who sells Beauty Counter. I'll post her link down below and just give you guys some resources on finding some clean beauty products. I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe. I have all things homeschool, gardening, motherhood videos. Thanks for watching.